The power of focus is incredible without the distractions. Hey everybody, it's me Henry and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we're going to talk about how to get your brain to focus. Now everybody knows if I can focus, I can achieve almost everything out of my life. I can be the top sales, I can be the top leader in my organization. If my children, they can focus on their study, I strongly believe they can be the outstanding in their school. They can achieve the best result in their school. But practically, not everyone can achieve this. The biggest problem is the distraction, especially we have the technology. We call it as the smartphone or tablet. Now the best thing about technology is we can search almost any information with our fingertips, but at the same time the worst thing about technology is the distraction, especially on the social media, because we are too curious or we are too care on what is our friends post, our latest activity, or the celebrity gossip. We are too eager to know what is happening in the world because our brain is like designed, specially designed to create for distraction, especially when we are bored. We want to find something to do, or we want to search some gossip, something to talk about. Now some people tell me and say, well Henry, I can't control, this is by human instinct. Naturally, I will search for information. But what if I tell you today in this video, all this can be trained. Train your brain to get focused on the thing that you want. Now, the first thing you need to do is you gotta define your goal. What exactly you want out of your life. Now, you don't tell me I only have a bow and a bow. But when I ask you, so where's your target? I have 5 targets. How am I gonna shoot with 1 arrow to 5 targets? It's like in the real world. Now, I ask people, what is your goal? Well, my goal is I want to master English. At the same time, I want to improve my public speaking. And at the same time, I want to improve my designing skill. Well, you have too many things to focus, and that's the reason it's hard for you to achieve your goal, because at the same time you have too many. So the first thing you need to do is define your priority, the first goal you want to achieve. Then only you can use your bow and arrow and shoot on your goal. You are clear on what you want to do. You can't be the best if you can't focus on what you want, or you're not actually clear on what you want. So the first thing is write it down. What is your priority at the moment? What do you want to achieve? Lock your target first. And once you have a clear target, the next thing is draw it out. How you're gonna achieve it, especially on the time management. Schedule. For example, if you want to achieve your target, you can foresee this. Next year, I want to achieve this. Another 12 months. So you have to draw it down. 12 months. Every month, what are you gonna do? And every day, what are you gonna do every day? And each day, the time, your schedule, from what time you need to wake up and how much time you invest in your goal. You have to draw it down, write it down clearly so you can see things clearly. You can track your record by the time. So from this time, what are the things that you're supposed to do if you want to improve your English, and how many hours you can commit in a day to learn English, to practice, to read, to write. So write it down, your schedule. And let me tell you, how worse is that without a schedule? If you tell me you want to improve your English and you are willing to invest 3 hours every morning, well, it sounds good, and you wake up 8 a.m. every day. But 8 a.m. what you do is you will score your phone and check for social media, what is the latest updates from your friends, and scoring until 11 a.m. And then 1 more hour is the lunchtime. So your 3 hours basically is a failure. Without a schedule, you can't track your progress. You can't tell that you are really serious on your goal, and eventually you can't focus because you have too many things to do. You have too many things to focus, especially your friends' updates, your friends' posts, celebrity, and so far and so on. You can't focus. When you have a schedule, you know exactly what you're supposed to do at this certain period of time, so you're not gonna waste your time on the unnecessary or irrelevant activities. So after this, the next thing you need to focus is the selective attention. So human, naturally, by instinct, you will focus more or pay more attention on the person who are wearing the same color as yours. Or you are driving a car, you pay more attention for those who are same car as you. Or if you are good looking, then you will pay more attention on the person or the people who are good looking, just like me. Well, comments below if you think I'm good looking. Comments below. So human, but naturally, by instinct, you will pay more attention on the thing which is similar to them. But we can train this in another way, designed towards your goal. Example, if you want to learn more on the investment, so put everything, all information related to investment. For example, put the poster, the god of investment, Warren Buffett, and buy all the books placed in front of you. Investment, how to make $1 million from investment, one book, and how to be professional in investment, another one book, and buy a lot of books in front of you, so when you enter that room, you have the attraction, you have the energy. Wow, this room is a room of investment, so it reminds me what I want in my life. I want to achieve financial freedom from investment. So the power of focus, when you place everything related to what you want, when you enter that room, you will pay even more attention, more focus on your goal. So what happens if you put the wrong thing, such as the celebrity pictures, the beautiful female artists, and all those irrelevant information? You will get distracted. You will slowly forget about what you want. I thought you want investment, but in the end, what you're doing is not related at all. And tip number 4, strategic ignorance. You don't need to be informed by everything, especially you are on your schedule to learn investment. You already allocated 2 hours to learn investment. So you should put your phone away. No distraction, no texting. So you should fully utilize your 2 hours to learn investment. And you need to control your environment. If you can't control your environment, the environment will control you. Especially people can easily access to you. Your friend, when you're paying attention on the knowledge that you want, and suddenly your friend, hey man, what are you doing? Yeah, I'm studying. So wanna have a coffee? All right, sure, let's go. Oh, gone case. Or your kid suddenly, Papa, you see my friend on Facebook. She is posting something important. Hey, what's that? Don't pay attention at smartphone. She is committing suicide. Wow, come on, let's check it out. Gone case. So you should limit yourself not to easily get distracted. So strategic ignorance. You should minimize the distraction, people around you, or you yourself sabotage yourself with a smartphone. Put your phone away, make sure no one is really able to distract you unless there's an emergency. They can directly call you, or people they can knock your door, boom, 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 boom. Hey, I have something urgent. Then it's fine. Other than that, no distraction. You gotta make sure you are 100%, 200% focus on what you want, especially one task at a time. All efforts on one task. Don't focus too much. You see, people, they overestimate they can do in a day, but they underestimate what they can do in a year. If they focus too much, in the end, they don't do anything. They can't achieve anything because the focus is scattered around. They can't really focus on one thing and step by step to achieve it. If long run, 1 year, if you focus on only one thing, in the end, you can see the result. And most importantly, during your focus time, put away your phone, because your phone, the toxin level is super high, extremely high. Well, another information from the research, if you get pulled off from distraction, you will need to spend 20 to 30 minutes to come back to where you were. So this is very serious. This is a waste of time. 20 to 30 minutes, you can actually do a lot of things. Focus is the main key. Make sure you're focused and no distraction. And the final tip to help you to get your brain focused is recovery. So after your working hours, when you come back home, you have to clear all the data. Put your stress all away. This is your home time, home sweet home. Put away all your stress, recover your emotion, relax. Spend more time on your hobby to make yourself happy. Spend more time with your kids, with your family. Recover, eat well, and rest well. You see, eat well is so important. You can't really focus on your job or the things you want to do with the empty stomach. You will feel dizzy, you will feel even more stressful. And sleep well. When you have the energy, you sleep well, you're feeling healthy, you're feeling good, so you can focus more. You won't feel dizzy. It's because I don't have enough sleep, I didn't sleep well. So all these are unnecessary. Make sure you are healthy, or some people, they meditate. Now, certain people, they meditate 2 to 3 minutes to clear down all the negative thoughts and negative energy. Meditation is another good thing to do. So you may practice meditation if you love to. It definitely can help you to clear your negative thoughts, to help you to focus your mindset. So all those are the 5 tips on how you can get your brain to focus. So I wish you can succeed in your goal. You can focus on whatever you want and you can achieve what you want out of your life. So if you find values and learn something from this video, the most important thing is you gotta smash the subscribe button and turn on all the notifications so that you're not gonna miss out any videos just like this from this channel. And the most important thing is leave your comments and let me know what you think. I would love to read your comments and reply to your comment. So see you in the next video.